Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've come back with another video guys. So it has been a while since I last did my hot oil treatment. You know guys, hair gets dry, locks they get dry. So this is how my locks looks like, and today I'll be showing you how to do the hot oil treatment on locks. As you can see, my hair is totally dry. This is how my locks looks like, and I'll be showing you how you can. So guys, this is how my locks looks like before, and this can help you also to seal in the moisture into your locks. So guys, if you're interested, let's go ahead and get started. What you need an empty bottle. This is the bottle which I do use once I do my hot oil treatment. This type of bottle and you will need olive oil. I went with a bio organic, and you will need also coconut oil, the same bio. And after, I will be adding in some essential oils like lavender oil. So guys, you can add any type of oils of your choice. So let me just show you how to mix this. The amount of olive oil, it depends on how long are your locks, so I went with that much. So guys, I'll be adding in some drops of lavender oil, like 10 drops. Then I'll be adding in my bio organic coconut oil. After, when I am done, I'll be warming this into the microwave for 1 minute. Make sure it's not very hot because it can burn your scalp. So guys, let me just show you how it is done. See, this is how much the coconut oil I have added in there. So I'll take this bottle in the microwave. I'll be warming my oil, then I'll show you how to apply it on your locks. So guys, as you can see, this is how far I have gone. And guys, make sure once you do apply, or once you do the hot oil treatment, make sure your hair is clean and wet. So let me just, since I'm done with the scalp, let me just add the oil on my locks to make sure they get moisturized. If you're busy, you can leave it on for 1 hour. I'll be leaving on my plastic cup for 1 hour, then I'll rinse out with cold water in order to seal in the moisture, because once you rinse out with the hot water, it's like you don't seal in the moisture. So guys, let me just add my plastic cup. So I said plastic cup guys, no, I will add in my, let me just finish this. Okay, I'll be leaving on this for 1 hour. Then guys, I'll come back when I'm done with the rinsing. See, this is how I'm going to leave my hot oil treatment to sit in there for 1 hour. But if you don't have time, guys, you can leave it only for 30 minutes. But since I'm at home, I do have time. So let me just leave it for 1 hour, then I get all the benefits of hot oil treatment. So guys, see you after. So guys, as you can see, this is how my hair turned out when I'm done with rinsing out the oils. And guys, the only tip which I can share with you, make sure to rinse out with cold water, because cold water helps you out to seal in the moisture in there. So guys, let me just come a little bit closer and I show you how my hair looks like. My hair looks really very soft, clean, and fully moisturized. So guys, that's what I had for today. And if you're new to my channel, please welcome. Don't forget to click that red button, of course, to subscribe to my channel. And if you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the love and support. See you in my next video.